na ritukulia lero mwancho murigereri omowasiri w'ekisemi musikechuri asimigosi ogamba niganyakabaga kubwatuka bene amachibu yabaruka bali banyatuka bagokora amatemu y'ekirasi y'ekumi na kabiri omwaka oyeta abanyatuka bagoichoria nakorigia amabaga at university ime yensi ya Kenya nabo igo college.
Of the 244,563 students who qualified for degree programs in 2024, 201,695, which is 83%, applied for placement to various levels. I encourage those who have not applied to do so and apply for programs in our universities, including the Open University and our tertiary institutions whose intake is continuous. For example, you could apply to KMTC, whose intake comes this September, and it is ongoing. They may also consider TVET programs when KUCCPS opens the next continuous TVET intake. With regard to placement, KUCCPS has placed a total of 310,502 students to various programs in universities and colleges. This number consists of 2024 KCSE cohorts and applicants from other KCSE years. Of the 244,563 candidates who scored C+ and above in 2024, 194,372, which is 80%, have been placed to programs at various levels. The government has made great strides in the teacher education programs. Following the recommendations by the Presidential Working Party on Education Reform, the government revised the minimum entry requirements for primary teacher education training programs. This has driven up enrollment in all the 33 primary teacher training colleges in the country. This year, KUCCPS received applications from 20,786 individuals seeking to join diploma in teacher education programs against a capacity of 13,823. A total of 11,636 applicants secured placements, out of whom 10,800 have already been placed in diploma in primary teacher education programs with a capacity of 11,088. A further 836 have been placed in diploma in secondary teacher education with a capacity of 2,735. Another positive development in this year's placement is the introduction of the Kenya School of Law Diploma in Law in the KUCCPS placement portal with a capacity of 500. The program receives an overwhelming interest and all slots were actually filled. As I've already stated, ladies and gentlemen, the first phase of this year's placement process is targeted to recruit students for KMTC and TVET March and May intakes. In this process, a total of 93,207 applicants were placed in government TVET institutions. Many